Tired of default app names? Let's rename apps on your iPhone in minutes. First, make sure you have downloaded the app logo to your gallery. Next, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap the plus button in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. In the search bar, type Open App and select it. Tap on the word App to choose the application you want to open. For this example, select Instagram. Tap the name field at the top and type in the new name you want. For example, instead of Instagram, you can enter Time Pass. Tap the tick mark to save your shortcut. Now at the bottom, tap the share icon. Select Add to Home Screen. Here, tap the image option and select Choose Photo to set your saved logo. Once finished, press Add. Return to your home screen. You'll now see the new app icon with your custom name. When tapped, it will open the original app. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.